Hello, Gayatri here. There's a question here why people react while sharing the truth and what India learned after independence. Actually, when we share the truth, people get liberated, and spiritual truth is really simple. And we had that in India, we all have it inside right now, and in golden era people will realize it. And to promote or market anything, and sexual attraction is really needed, and that's why the West influence people, and even this religious promotion, and in many religion they have it is connected with the sex, so they promote more sexual attraction, divide more men and women, so that they can sell so many things, so many supermarkets, so many things. So those who are truly spiritual, they have very less need and they can live with their prayer, or with very less, and all the needs also get fulfilled by nature when you are in spiritual path. But what we are seeing right now is they're dividing people. Even in job, I have so many clients in our community, they are suffering, their family is suffering. They're increasing the workload, especially during this COVID time. People working in multinational companies, they increase the workload, and they are suffering. Maybe it is due to the jealousy. While they come here, this British people, when they come here, they felt jealous of women, seeing in India they are more organized, they are more giving, more loving, and that was the reason why they divided the people in India. And maybe those souls got they get evolved by mingling with women, or those men understood what true love is all about. And in disciplined religion there is no time, and in our Nutrition Solution community also we can see that these structured religion, men in the structured religion, they are running after women, they have as many relationships, they are spoiling the families, and many Hindu women are affected actually. That is an agenda. I don't know whether it is, maybe they learn love through these women, or they are using women as a material. They are many women are affected, their emotional health is affected, their mind health is affected, and so many other dark energy methods also they are using in marketing, as marketing, spiritual marketing. And men are such a nonsense actually. According to the study, there are good men, but there are so many men in sales and marketing, they are doing it. And spiritual groups in India, which include Hinduism or Islam, women are not going to the spiritual place. So maybe they are also affected with their family, and so many sexual harassment is happening in those families also. So many women are complaining about their emotional health, and the reason why they are gaining weight is due to these kind of issues. In all the religion, in Christianity there are so many men and women are doing the same thing, and that is how our country is learning actually. I don't know whether it is a sign of success of a country, a development of a country, or it is degrading our own standard. And learning, we all are learning. Maybe the next generation will understand it, or they will balance it. Thank you.